The third dimension. Are you ready to bring it into your design work? I'm Brady Erickson of Texturelabs.org. I'm a designer in the TV and film industry, and I'm always striving to push the limits of the process on the Texturelabs YouTube channel. Now, as we all say, good riddance to the old Photoshop 3D workspace. It doesn't mean we don't need a tool to create realistic extruded shapes, dimensional graphic text effects. Enter the Texturelabs 3D Machine plugin for Photoshop. All I need to do is take any layer, choose what kind of shape and lighting settings I want, including applying textures, and I'll hit create. From here, we can continue to extrude an object, or check this out, insert more layers to create more and more complex shapes. Convert to layers, and we end up with separate face, extrusion, and cast shadow layers for your Photoshop convenience. It's a streamlined, easy to use, but powerful tool, and in combination with Photoshop, we can get some really incredible results. Here, I'm gonna extrude a piece of typography, then do a debossed extrusion of the same object that's like negative 3D, to which you can apply your favorite Photoshop neon technique. Create animation layers. That's going to generate a sequence of layers, each one a little bit more extruded than the last. So for our motion designer friends, bring these layers into After Effects for some time displacement or whatever it is you want to do. The 3D Machine is available now on the Adobe Creative Cloud marketplace, which makes it super easy to purchase and install. If you're thinking, wait a second, is Texturelabs not free anymore? No, I'm still adding tons of free assets to Texturelabs, but I can't put everything. I can't put my car on there for free. The Texturelabs 3D Machine is super affordable. It's easy to install through Creative Cloud. I'll include links below where you can check it out. It also helps support the Texturelabs.org project if you find it valuable. Really looking forward to seeing what you guys create. More Texturelabs content on the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.